And welcome to WKP. Today we're going to be tracking disturbance number 1 and disturbance number 2. Even though disturbance number 2 hasn't formed yet, the GFS is indicating that it will rapidly intensify on its way to Cuba and could make landfall in Florida. There will be all of that and more in this video starting right now. So here's what the National Hurricane Center has to say about these storms. Disturbance number 1 has a 40% chance of forming in the next 48 hours and a 60% chance of forming in the next 5 days. I think it's quite likely we'll see this system form as it moves on into those warmer waters. Luckily, it won't affect land. It could affect Bermuda, though, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. But it will recurve back out into the Atlantic Ocean. But it's quite likely we will see that formation once it gets into those warmer waters. We'll also have to keep an eye on disturbance number 2, which only has a 30% chance of forming in the next 5 days. But the GFS and a few other models are indicating landfall in Cuba, and the GFS is predicting a landfall also in Florida. I'll be showing you those models right now. So here's what the GFS is showing. A slight formation of disturbance number 1 you can see right here, but disturbance number 2, on the other hand, will rapidly intensify, like I said, before making landfall in Cuba around Category 1 hurricane, and then strengthen before making landfall in Florida, riding up the coast and then meandering around Florida as a tropical storm. So that could possibly be a scenario we could see in the next couple of days. That would definitely cause quite a bit of effects for Cuba, possibly Jamaica, and also the Florida Keys and well into Florida. Most of the Florida state really would feel effects if that scenario did pan out. Here's what the icon model is showing, and it's not showing formation really of disturbance number 2, but disturbance number 1, on the other hand, the icon is showing to form quite rapidly and quite strong. And the reason we could see such rapid formation in both of these storms is they're going to be moving into this warmer water, as you can see right around here, 30 degrees Celsius, where disturbance 2 is, and disturbance 1 will be moving in around 85 to 89 degree water, so very, very conducive for development. We will have to keep an eye on wind shear because that will also determine what we could see and how strong both of these storms will get. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP. Stay tuned for more updates. I'll definitely be updating you guys on these storms since we still have quite an active season so late. Thanks for watching. This has been WKP.